guys, welcome back to Choose Your Own Path. So today, what are we doing? Well, we kind of made something. So, huge Darth Vader fan. If Star Wars isn't something that you know, check it out. We made ourselves the pipe. I'm not a dope smoker, but I know some guys that are, and they love this kind of stuff. So all we did was we had a broken pipe that we had from a long time ago when I was the smoker. You know, here's the other piece that would go into the stem, and then it would attach to there, and it cracked, so I cut it, and then all I did was I drilled a hole inside the back of his head, and this is actually tubing that I've gotten. It's sterilized, so it's good tubing. And I put it through, and then I just added it, you know, the nipple part again, just a epoxy, 5-minute epoxy, just a little bit on it, so you know. And then what basically is right here, and you can smoke your Darth Vader, and it is airtight anyway. So yeah, and then I just put a base on it, so just glued it on, made a little bit of stand so it would stand. I'll show you. You could stand sitting there, just for fun. It'll probably, one of my buddies will probably buy it off me, kind of thing, just for fun, because he loves to do that. I'm gonna paint up this piece here and make sure it's solid. But yeah, there you go. It's Darth Vader. It's pretty much all. I had nothing to do with this thing. I was bored, so that's what I did. Was I just took it. I thought I'm gonna make it. I also have. I'm gonna show you guys this. I also have a Yoda that I could do the same thing with. Thing is this one's a lot more. It's solid. This one's hollow. The infill on this was 100%. It would drill through. I'd have to put a bowl on top of his head, and then have a hose coming out this way, or you'd probably want him to look at you. So somehow, maybe, I don't know, put the bowl here, have the hose in the back, wrap it up this way. You could look at him when you're all crazy freaking high. You're like, oh my God. Let me know what you think. If you think this is fun. Not everybody. It's not for everybody. Not everybody smokes pot. I used to a lot. Got older, heart condition. I do have a little puff once in a while. You know, it doesn't hurt. So yeah. Again, guys, if I could do it, you could do it. Choose your own path. Thanks for watching.